What's up? Look, thank you so much for buying the My Simple Scripts software. I know you're gonna love it. I know it's gonna help you. And look, before you run off and actually start playing with the software and start closing more deals, I wanna give you a real opportunity to leverage My Simple Scripts software and make more money, get more leads, get more customers, all by leveraging the My Simple Scripts software. Now look, people love to buy software. You know that. You just bought it. I've built literally a multi-million-dollar a year empire just by selling software. So in this opportunity, I want to give you the opportunity to actually partner with me and my company Tier 5 and the My Simple Scripts software and join the My Simple Scripts partner program. Now, if you join the My Simple Scripts partner program, what it's going to do is give you the ability to sell the My Simple Scripts software at your own price point to your own customers, just like if you would have spent thousands of dollars to build the software yourself. You sell the software, we do all the technical support if your customers need any actual support. So you're gonna get access to a back-end portal whenever you join the partner program, and that back-end portal is going to allow you to actually manage all your user accounts. You can do it manually, or we have APIs and a full training to teach you how to do it on autopilot so that as soon as somebody comes through one of your funnels, just like you came through my funnel and purchases the software, you can automatically create their accounts. Now you can create accounts, you can suspend them if they don't pay you, you can unsuspend them if they do pay you again, you can even delete them so you can actually reissue the accounts. It allows you to actually start selling the My Simple Scripts software just as if it were your own software, and you get to keep 100% of the revenue. Now you could use it as a lead magnet. You could literally just give it away for free if you want. Use it as a lead magnet. You could do like I do and use it as a low ticket customer acquisition product so that you can actually acquire buyers leads. People who are willing, now this is a product you don't sell for a lot of money. I just sold it to you for, $10 a month or $20 a year or $30 one-time payment. And this allows me to actually easily, with very low risk and very low friction, acquire a new customer that's actually interested in growing their business and making sales and is willing to spend money in that cause. So you can do the same thing, and then after your customers buy the software from you, then you can actually sell them on other products and services because you have a verified buyer's lead who you know is interested enough to spend money to actually help them grow their business. So we have a partner program that actually works for everybody. First off, we have the monthly partner program. This comes with 100 accounts on the software. So you can sell the software to 100 different people, have 100 active accounts at once. If somebody cancels, you can just delete them and you get access to that account and you can resell it again. Okay, so the monthly partner program is gonna give you 100 reseller accounts. It's only $49 a month. That means your cost per unit is only 49 cents per month for something that we're selling for $9.99 a month. That means that you can generate an extra $500 a month if you sell all of your accounts. It's only going to cost you $49 a month if you join the monthly partner program. We also have a yearly option. Our yearly option is just $997 a year, and it's going to give you 300 reseller agency accounts. That's 300 accounts on the My Simple Scripts software that you can have active at any one time. So that's 300 new buyers leads that you can get that are going to pay you for the software, and then you can actually sell them your other products and services. That means that you're literally only paying $3.33 per year for a software that we sell for $20 a year. So if you sell your software, your accounts at 50% of our cost, which means you only sell them for $10 a year versus our $20 a year, that's still an extra $3,000 a year worth of revenue that you can make from this opportunity, and you have 300 new buyers leads. So that's a yearly program. It's $997 a year, and you get 300 reseller accounts. But if you're like me, and you don't like to have monthly charges, you don't like to have yearly charges, you just want a one-time payment for the rest of your life and you never have to worry about paying again, well then you can take our lifetime partner program. Our lifetime partner program includes 1,000 accounts. That's 1,000 accounts. You literally get 1,000 accounts on the software. It's a one-time payment of $1,997. You never have to pay again. that means that you're paying $2 for the same thing that we're selling for $29.99. So again, if you sell your accounts, your 1,000 accounts for 50% of what we're selling ours for, so you literally give a 50% discount, then you can still generate an extra $15,000 from those accounts, and you have 1,000 buyers leads. That's 1,000 buyers leads that you can now sell your other products and services. So again, you can take the monthly option. It's 100 accounts for $49 a month. You can take the yearly option. You'll get 300 additional accounts for $997 a year. Or you can take the one-time payment lifetime option, and you'll get 1,000 accounts for just one single payment of $1,997. And if you get to work and actually start selling the software, then you can easily make your money back and make a profit and acquire a bunch of buyers' leads. Now, I do want to be clear that this is a one-time only offer. So one-time only offer, and if you don't know what that means is you're being presented to this opportunity right now. You will not be presented this opportunity in the future. If you decide, you know what, I don't want this right now, I'm gonna go play with the software, and 3 days later, you're like, you know what? I can sell this, this will be easy. I do want to actually use this as a lead magnet to acquire leads, or I want to actually use it to acquire new buyers' leads and use it as my low-ticket customer acquisition products so I can get paying customers that I can then sell my products and services to later. And you want to come back tomorrow or 3 days later and you're like, John, I'm ready to join that partner program now. You're not going to get offered the same prices that you're getting offered right now. You should expect to pay at least double if you don't take this one-time only offer right now. So you can take this one-time only offer right now and save a huge amount of money. If you want to come back tomorrow or the next day, that's totally fine, but you're not going to get the same price that you're getting right now. You're going to pay at least double if you don't take this one-time only offer. So there you have it. There's the partner program, and there's the easy way that we've made it for you to be able to actually leverage the MySimpleScript software and generate revenue, keep 100% of it, and at the same time, generate leads and buyers.